What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Coleman PowerMate generator. And the problem with this generator is it won't start. Let's diagnose it and try to fix it. At 1500 continuous watts and 1850 surge watts, it's not going to run a whole house. But it is a cost-effective alternative to a larger 300-pound unit. And at 75 pounds, it's fairly portable. And after using this Harbor Freight spark checker, I was able to confirm that it does have spark. Let's go ahead and move on to the carburetor then. Remove the air filter cover along with the air filter. Then remove the filter housing from the carburetor itself. If there's any gas in the fuel tank, make sure to close the fuel shutoff valve. Next, remove the bowl nut and then the bowl. Be careful, as any gas inside the bowl is going to leak out. And here's our problem. The bowl nut is also the main jet, and it's pretty clogged up, so no gas is going to make it through the carburetor. Use some thin wire and clean out the larger hole and then the smaller hole in the jet. Using some carb cleaner might help, but it's not necessary. And once the jet is clean and you can see through the holes, carefully reinstall the bowl and the bowl nut. Just be careful not to over-tighten the bowl nut. Since it's brass, it's easily broken. And before we go ahead and put the air filter housing back on, let's go ahead and try to run it and see if it works. Don't forget to turn the fuel back on at the fuel shutoff valve. Put the choke on, and hopefully when we pull it over, it'll start for us. Well, it looks like it works just fine. But unfortunately, it looks like the off switch doesn't seem to work. We'll have to fix that in a later video. To keep this from happening in the future, use the shutoff valve to turn off the generator. That way, there won't be any gas in the carburetor to gum up and clog the main jet. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.